2020 Rear View Mirror. 2020, a year of transformative growth with a lesson of courage and overcoming. 2020, a time to focus on self, dancing, singing, writing, acting, doing, feeling, recovering. 2020, a period of non-stop learning. 2020, a tenure of appreciating smiles, chirping of birds, clearing of rivers. 2020, an era of ecosystem restoration. Let's goodbye 2020 with the learning that nobody is immune from problems. Rather, problems are inevitable and unpredictable, making us strong and bold to face challenges of life. Let's welcome 21st year of 21st century.